on 93.5 FM. Thanks for making us your number one KPOA Aloha Morning Show. Want to say good morning to Penny Koval. She's the hospital administrator, Kula Hospital and Lanai Community Hospital, joining us this morning. Good morning, Penny.
Good morning, Shane. How are you?
I'm good. Happy Aloha Thursday. One step closer to the weekend. Penny, we hear...
Almost there.
Almost there, girl. Almost. Penny, we hear there's an upcoming job fair at Kula Hospital. Can you tell us when it's happening and what people can expect?
Yeah, for sure. So it's in a couple of weeks. It's July 30th. Starts at 10 o'clock in the morning and goes until 2:30 in the afternoon. Essentially, if you want to work in a tight-knit, community-based setting, we want to talk to you. We've got positions across all kinds of departments: nursing, support staff, dietary, and we're going to be doing on-the-spot interviews with the hiring managers, and it gives anybody a chance to take a tour of their future workplace and meet some future colleagues. You can ask them what it's like to work there. We're throwing in an extra prize, too. We're doing a raffle for everyone who comes. They're entered into that raffle.
Nice.
So they just show up at Kula Hospital, or they can go online and apply, mauihealth.org/careers.
Penny, does Kula Hospital offer primary care for our upcountry folks?
You know, when I start talking to people in the community, I always hear how hard it is to get an appointment with a doctor. And I realize that a lot of people probably don't know that next door to Kula Hospital, we have our Kula Clinic. And we have a primary care physician there. Her name is Dr. Vo. She's got a lot of experience in rural clinics. She is taking new patients, so you don't have to wait weeks and weeks to get in to see her. So it's like between the hospital and the clinic, we're trying to expand access to health care to that upcountry community so that folks don't have to drive all the way to town. So we're like a one-stop shop for non-critical care. You can go see your primary care doctor at Dr. Vo. You can go to the ER or even get outpatient labs and x-rays all in the same location. I can drop her number, too, if you guys, if your listeners want to be able to call her and make an appointment. It's
sure.
876-4331.
876-4331.
That's it.
Okay. Lastly, I hear we have a special anniversary coming up. Talk to us about that, Penny.
Yeah, would you believe that Kula Hospital's been around for 115 years?
Wow.
115 years. That's a long time. We're like a historical site up there.
Yes, it is.
And so we want to celebrate with the community. We're going to do a ho'olaule'a, live entertainment, some vendor booths for food, snacks, and crafts. And we're combining it with a health fair. Because, you know, one of our biggest priorities is improving the health of our community.
Yes.
And so to demonstrate that commitment, we're doing a couple of things. We're giving away free bike helmets for the kids. We're doing Stop the Bleed demonstrations where we show you what to do in an emergency situation when someone is hurt really badly and bleeding. One of those tools is a tourniquet, so we're going to have ER nurses there showing you how to use a tourniquet, and at the end of it, you get to walk away to keep one in your garage or your tool shed or in the car. And lastly, we've got fall prevention classes so that, you know, people get some information on how to prevent falls, particularly in that elderly community. And that's happening on September 7th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And another phone number, if anyone wants information, is 876-4306.
Nice. Penny, you have an amazing day and into your weekend, and we'll talk again. Thanks for calling.
Thanks, Jane. Bye.
Aloha.